The price of Algorand, ALGO, has experienced a significant decline, reaching a new record low of 9 cents. This prompts the question of what the future holds for ALGO. In summary, the price of Algorand, ALGO, has had a decline subsequent to reaching its peak value in September 2021. On August 17, the ALGO cryptocurrency experienced a significant decline, reaching a new record low value of 8 cents. Despite reaching an all-time low, the cryptocurrency ALGO has managed to maintain a trading price above the primary horizontal support level of 11 cents. Hence, the potential for a reclamation remains viable. In the event of a continued decline in price, the subsequent level of support is projected to be at 7 cents. Conversely, a deviation from the established trend has the potential to propel ALGO to a value of $0.30. The price of Algorand, ALGO, has had a decline subsequent to reaching its peak value in September 2021. On August 14, the value experienced a significant decline, reaching a record low of 8 cents. Currently, there is a lack of positive reversal indicators. Nevertheless, a substantial rise in price might potentially be initiated by a breach from a declining resistance line that has persisted over an extended period of time. The price of Algorand, ALGO, experiences a decline, reaching its lowest point ever. The price of ALGO has had a decline subsequent to reaching its peak value of $2.99 in September 2021. The subsequent trajectory had a downward trend, aligning with a lowering resistance line that has persisted for a duration of 700 days. In a more recent development, the price was confirmed to align with the specified threshold in April 2023, as indicated by the red icon. The ALGO price experienced an early rebound at the horizontal support level of 11 cents, but afterwards underwent a breakdown. On August 17, the cryptocurrency market experienced a downward trend, characterized by a bearish movement, resulting in the price reaching a historically low value of 8 cents. Notwithstanding the current record low, the price of ALGO has yet to reach a closing value below the 11 cents threshold. Hence, the potential for a reclamation and a reversal towards a positive trend continues to exist. The weekly relative strength index, RSI, cannot be determined at this time. The relative strength index, RSI, is a widely employed momentum indicator utilized by traders to assess the potential overbought or oversold conditions of a market. It aids in the decision-making process of whether to accumulate or sell a particular asset. Readings exceeding a value of 50 and demonstrating an upward trajectory indicate that the bullish market sentiment is dominant. Readings that are below 50 are indicative of the contrary. When the relative strength index, RSI, is below 50 and exhibiting a downward trend, there is a potential indication of a bull-ish divergence being formed, as seen by the green line. This phenomenon arises when there is an increase in momentum subsequent to a fall in price. Frequently, it serves as an antecedent to the reversal of a bull-ish trend. Nevertheless, the difference of the price has not been proven at this point. What are the potential future directions following the occurrence of an all-time low? Given the current historical minimum price, it is imperative to employ Fibonacci levels in order to ascertain the subsequent level of support in the event of a potential decline in the ALGO price. Based on the analysis of the preceding growth, it is observed that the 1.61 external Fibonacci retracement level corresponds to a value of 7 cents. Hence, it is plausible that the price may encounter a level of support in the event that it recommences its downward trajectory. This would result in a further decline of 25% when measured against the present value. Alternatively, if the price manages to surpass the 11 cents level and establish a breakout, it has the potential to see a substantial surge of 200%, reaching the subsequent resistance level at 30 cents. In conclusion, the future price trend of ALGO will be contingent upon its ability to either regain the 11 cents level or continue its downward trajectory. In the event of a reclamation, there is a potential for a 200% increase in price. However, if the reduction persists, It is anticipated that there will be a decline of 25%. The 11% drop in Bitcoin's price is a prediction. Amid changes in the market and major events, Bitcoin, which is currently worth $26.23 and is selling on the cryptocurrency market, has dropped by nearly 11% in the last week. This happened in a market that is very unstable. This drop is happening against the background of important events and changes that are still changing the crypto world. In the middle of these changes, people like Trump, who warns of possible effects on the US currency system. And interesting moves, like SpaceX's sale of Bitcoin bought in 2021 and 2022 for $373 million have drawn more attention to the market. Also, changes in Tether's backing for certain cryptocurrencies show how complicated the factors are that affect the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This Bitcoin price forecast looks at the recent 11% drop in BTC and the market factors and important events that are affecting its path. Trump raises concerns about the US losing control of the global currency system. BTC/USD is going down today, which is similar to what former President Donald Trump said about the United States standing in the world. In a recent interview, Trump talked about how the US dollar is losing its power on the world market. He was worried about the decline of the country under the present government and warned that other countries are moving away from the dollar. Trump said that the Chinese yuan could possibly replace the dollar. And his comments about energy prices and the chance of a recession if he doesn't get re-elected may have caused the BTC/USD exchange rate to go down today. SpaceX gets $373 million for selling Bitcoin. Today, the BTC/USD rate is going down, which could be because of recent news about SpaceX's Bitcoin assets. Reports say that in 2021 and 2022, Elon Musk's SpaceX wrote off $373 million in Bitcoin assets. It's not clear if the whole STASH was sold, but the news of this made the market even more unclear. Elon Musk's public statements about how SpaceX is buying Bitcoin and how Tesla has bought Bitcoin in the past have always affected the price of Bitcoin. The crypto market may be going down today because high-profile people like Musk are changing how investors feel. Tether will no longer work with Bitcoin Cash, Kusama, and other cryptocurrencies that use USDT. The price of BTC may have been affected by the news that Tether would stop supporting USDT on Bitcoin, Kusama, and Bitcoin Cash because these platforms didn't have enough users. This change could affect how people feel about the market because it shows changes in how stable coins are issued and used. This could make investors more uncertain, which would put more selling pressure on BTC prices on Friday.